Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen, and we are at the 2025 NAB show at my first big booth that I've been looking forward to. We have 7 interviews today. My first interview is with Brian, and Brian's going to talk about some ARRI Skypanel X.
Yeah, exactly. So on our right here, we have the new S60 Pro. This is a direct successor to the classic Skypanel S60 with a lot of nice quality of life improvements and a better price point. So should we just get into it?
Get into it.
Perfect.
We'll go over here and you can talk about it.
All right. So yeah, this is an...
Hold this mic too.
There we go, I got the microphone. So this is your classic RGBW soft light panel, tunable white, full color as well. And if you've used the S60 before, there's some nice improvements here, especially if we go to the back of the fixture. So one of the first things you'll notice is we now have the internal power supply, makes it a bit easier to set up, lets bits and pieces, just a bit of a quality of life improvement. Power con in and out, so you could daisy chain. The Ethernet is now also in and out, so if you're running an ArtNet or an SACN setup, you can daisy chain your LAN just like you would with 5-pin DMX. And if the fixture loses power, it'll still pass data. We also now have the control panel on the bottom, just to make it a little bit easier. If this fixture's up on a stand, you can still reach it and adjust easily. So we also have here an increase in the output. The S60 Pro, the Skypanel Pro, is about 20% brighter than the classic Skypanel. And the dimming's also an area of big improvement, let's say. So now we can go all the way down to 0 without that sort of mismatch that could sometimes happen with the multiple light engines. Right now I'm at like 20%, but I could take it down a bit and let's see how it goes. So here we are at 12%, down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1%, down to 0.1 and out. So a really smooth dim all the way down to 0 without any sort of a crazy color shift or snap out at the bottom end. And this is an IP20 fixture. It's really like it's the best studio soft light that we can possibly make. It's a feature set for that market and also a price point that's a lot more competitive. So the S60 Pro in the US lists at $4,280, so quite a bit cheaper than its predecessor, the S60C. But it's everything you love about the S60 and some key improvements. Really a great broadcast lighting fixture. And then
You have more?
no, I was going to go to the other one.
I like it.
Cool. All right. So then to the other side of me, we have the Skypanel X. This is our other 2x1 LED panel. Let's say if the S60 Pro is like the perfect focused studio soft light, the Skypanel X is a fixture that's perfect for location as well. It's the sort of does it all, bells and whistles Skypanel product. So what we have installed right now is this hyper optic. This is a really punchy, focused beam of light you can get out of the Skypanel X. Narrow beam angle with a lot of output. So like if you're going through windows or matching for daylight, really powerful option. And you can change the optics on this. So right now we have the hyper optic installed, but if I wanted to change to a dome or more of a soft optic, you just push down.
I'm so sorry.
All good. You just push down a clip on either side. And here, I'll take the intensity down a little bit. So I just push down a clip on that side and this side. And pull that forward. And so now you can see directly the LEDs on the Skypanel X. So this fixture, it's IP66. It means you can use it in the rain, in the snow, any sort of harsh condition like that. And you can even see in the front of the fixture, we have this hardened glass covering it. So it's a really great location light in that way. So if I didn't want to use the hyper optic, if I wanted to get more of a soft light performance, I could just pop on one of these X21 domes instead. Just like a really simple soft dome diffusion. All right, we could turn this on real quick to see how it looks. So, like the S60 Pro on the Skypanel X, we had a big focus on getting a really good, smooth dim down to 0. So here I am down at 3, 2, 1, and out. Now what is different about the Skypanel X light engine, this is an RGB ACL, red, green, blue, amber, cyan, lime white engine, which means it's even better in terms of color rendition for skin tone. The S60 Pro is, like CRI well into the mid to high 90s. The Skypanel X takes it even further with the CRI at 5600 is 99, TM30s in the mid to high 90s. So this is, the really amazing color quality that ARRI is known for in the Skypanel X. Now what's also really cool about it, and you can see it behind me a little bit, is the Skypanel X. Here we can do a little walk. By the way, this is such a cool camera rig. There should be some BTS, I'm sure. So the Skypanel X can also be built into these modular arrays, where this whole array here is normal Skypanel X fixtures. You just sort of snap them together to build up into this larger fixture. Right now we have it with all hyper optics. And actually, if we were to look up to the convention center ceiling, you can see the beam really hitting into the rafters there. And this just snaps together. You don't need any tools or anything like that. One person can build it in, usually about 3 minutes. And what's also really nice, if we look at the back of it, we have daisy chaining power and data. So that means, I'll take our intensity down a little bit so I can tilt this around without blinding everyone. So we're daisy chaining data on the left side and power on the right side, which means we can run this really powerful array. It's similar to like a 4K HMI. We can run this off just one 20 amp circuit, one stinger, one mains cable, run the whole thing off a single control panel. And then, when you're moving on, it breaks down into a bunch of 2x1 fixtures that's really easy for transport. So you really get a whole lot of light. You get this huge light performance, but in something that is logistically quite a bit easier. And so we also have the X22 behind us there, which is our, third format for the Skypanel X. Very similar. This is just in a 2x2 instead of the 3 fixture setup. Yeah, we have one other optic for the Skypanel X that I had neglected to mention earlier. It's this S60 adapter. So we have on the Skypanel X the X21 dome right now, and then there's also the hyper optic that we're using on our modular arrays. There's another optic as well. Let's say if you already own a classic S60, we have an optic here, the S60 adapter. So this is the front of a classic Skypanel, very literally, and you can use all of your existing accessories. If you already have something like Chimera or DOP Choice, you can use this as an accessory on the front of your fixture and keep on using all those, those optics that you already own or those modifiers you already own. And just like the others, just pull our clips down on either side. And we just snap in snap in this new fixture.
That's it.
I didn't see anything.
Light down if you have to use it.
Okay.
And German engineering doesn't fall apart.
No, it's indestructible. It'll.
Good.
Yeah. So that's the whole Skypanel X line. We are running a sale at the show right now on the Skypanel X's.
Just post it out.
Oh, actually for the whole month of April.
Go ahead.
Yeah, perfect. So this is the Skypanel X line, and we are actually running a sale in the US for the month of April related to the NAB show. It is a sort of Skypanel X21, 2, 3 set. So this would be 3 fixtures with, let's say, 3 hyper optics, 3 of the domes, 3 control panels. Each one gets an individual yoke. But what's cool is you'd also get the bracket you need to make an X23 or an X22. And that set is $16,900. We have another set, the expanded set, where you're adding on one of the S60 adapters for each fixture, beam enhancer for each fixture, which is sort of a very light diffusion you can put in front of the hyper optic just to smooth it out a little bit, and a cable for each of your control panels. That set is, let me make sure I get this right. I thought so. $18,900 for the sort of the expanded Skypanel X NAB sales set. And the last thing we have here in the back for the, let's say for the broadcast or studio market mainly, is the L Series Plus. These, I think we showed for the first time at last year's NAB. These are our new LED Fresnels, the successor to the L5C and the L7C. These are the pluses. And these are about 60% brighter on average, up to 90% when you're in like a full spot. So a nice big output increase over the previous generation. Again, coming in at a better price point. Let's see, I got my cheat sheet. The L5C Plus is $2,210 in the US, and the L7 behind us is $3,080 US for the list prices. And yeah, these are just, great IP20 RGBW Fresnels, perfect for a studio setup, nice small footprint, increased output. And what's notable about these is on the back you can see they are LAN in and out, so like ArtNet, SAC, and native. If you do want to run a classic 5-pin DMX setup, we have a DMX adapter cable available as well. And I think that's it for me.
So this is Walter Van Dusen and
Brian Doran,
we are at the
NAB
2025 in the what booth?
ARRI booth.
And I just want to thank Brian for his time. He took us around some of the newer lights that you can purchase, and in the month of, what month is the special?
April.
It's like a game.
Pop quiz.
Thank you very much. So this has been Walter and Brian at the NAB show, and now I'm going off to interview number 2. So thank you very much for spending the time with me. We do a little high five. We do this.